Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I'm actually going to turn it just a little bit so I get more light on my face. But today's video is going to be talking about, successful in 90 days. Here's how you can start to do that for yourself. So, one thing that's very, very, very important for you to be able to start getting the success that I believe that you desire and success I believe that you deserve is that you start learning how to build a better audience a lot faster. What does that mean? That means that you need to be able to get enough people to know, like, and trust you and watch your content long enough to actually get people to want to work with you. So that can vary from person to person, time to time. So that can be anywhere from 2 days to, 20 seconds to 2 years, just depends. But if you can get enough people to be able to actually follow you for a long enough period of time, you're going to be able to start to being able to see that success that you want. So a good example of this is, for me, for example, one way that I was able to grow some traction for my e-commerce store was that I needed to list products. The reason why was because whenever you list products, it was using like eBay and Amazon, the platform gives you a certain amount of traffic. So those people get to see that, hey, Bryce's store has all the products that I like, and it's just a matter of time before I see a product that I really, really want or do not have, and I'm going to purchase from Bryce. It's the same thing for your coaching, accounting, or whatever business that you have that's a service-based business. Actually, even product-based business as well. As long as you can be able to get enough people in the door, you're going to be able to do it. For example, if you are able to get 10,000 people to know that you either exist or that you have something that they might want to buy, your job is to be able to get as many people out of those 10,000 to be able to follow you long term and to actually, get them to want to connect with you deeper. So, for example, say if you get 10% of those people to want to connect with you deeper. So out of that 10,000, you get 10%. That's 1,000 people, right? So then, out of that 1,000 people, let's say that your job now is to go and add as much value as you possibly can to go try and get 100 of those people to want to either pay you or work with you longer term. That's literally all this game is. That's why I say it's a game, because it's fun once you're understanding what you need to do and exactly how you can move and start going towards that a lot faster. Now, within 90-day period, yes, that's definitely doable, right? Because once you know exactly what you have to do, now you have to condense the time to be able to do so. To get 10,000 people to see you, that could take you, depending on what you use, that might be able to take you, a couple of days to get 10,000 views. It's not extremely hard, whether you pay for a Facebook ad, Google ad, YouTube ad, or you just have a big enough audience on LinkedIn or Facebook to get you that much traffic. It's not challenging. The real key is how do you actually maintain that attention for long enough to start doing that? I mean, for example, if your goal is to go and make about $10,000 per month in sales, that's not that challenging. You get 100 people to pay you $100 per month, and now you're making $10,000 per month. Cool. In 90 days, that's very doable. Let's say that you're only getting 3,000 people to see you every single month, right? Well, remember, our goal is to get 10% of those people to stick with us long term. So if 3,000 people are seeing, that means 300 people are seeing. So by the end of our 90-day process, we should have about 900 to 1,000 of those people actually following us long term. Now, within that, each month, I would recommend that you would have at least tried to get 30 people to work in your course or in your, coaching program or your accounting program, whatever the case might be, for either that $100 price range or whatever your price range might be. If you have a high ticket offer, you're going to need a lot less. But I'm just going like worst case scenario. Okay. And then by that time period, by the end of that 30 month, you would have hit your first $10,000 month. Okay. That's how simple it is to do it. Now, simplicity without strategy is futile, right? Because then you have people who are watching this video who like, Bryce, I understand that's what I'm supposed to do, but how do I actually go do that? Okay, so in order for you to get that step by step, like strategy, I recommend you go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, we give you everything that you need to start moving step by step towards, that goal, whatever that might be, whether that's, to be able to travel the world and to be able to go away for a month at a time, to be able to, get paid to travel, maybe to not have a boss, to be able to not have that daily commute, to not have to have someone always checking over your shoulder. Hey, did you do this yet? Did you do this yet? Did you do this yet? Not having to do just random stuff that you don't want to do. If you want to be able to have control of your life, I recommend you go, take that first step, which is go learn more and click the link either in the description below or above, depending on where you're seeing this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information as well. Have a great day. See you later. Take it easy. Talk to you soon.